what's going on with that. But damn, let's see what we got, guys. 26-year-old air handler. Didn't I say something about that before I even come over here? I bet you the screws done rusted out and the door done fell off. Alright. Let's see what's up with it. Crawl through this hole in the wall. Oh, cheapo. Way out.
The destination is on your right.
Okay, here we go.
Arrived.
Let's see what we're getting into, guys. What's up, guys? It is July the 22nd, 2021, and I'm on a repair call. It's a Heil split heat pump. The condenser's 12 years old, and the air handler is actually like 26 years old. So I guess they decided they didn't want to change out the air handler in the house 12 years ago when they changed out the condenser. So you know exactly what's going on with this thing. Hey, buddy. Hello. Y'all having problems with the air in here? Or what's going on with it?
Well, this is about as cool as it can get.
Okay.
And it runs, you know, you hear it running, but it doesn't seem to
Be cool. Okay, let me go over here to the thermostat and
we don't need
see exactly what's going on here.
little wheel or something.
Well,
They were burned up last night in the basement.
that what now? The
Company here from Hilton Head,
oh,
and they sleep at a lower level down there. They
Oh.
said it was so hot down there.
Oh, really?
That's what they said.
Okay, and y'all got company that's here now?
No.
Oh, but yeah, I got you.
Their son is having some wisdom teeth removed today. So can you see if that's a light?
Yes, ma'am. All right, well, let me go out and I'll see what's going on.
How are you all along?
Oh, we doing good. Everybody's still getting along pretty good. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's always a entertaining person.
Oh, yeah. Grandma sure was. I might, let's see, I might just come in and out here. Wow, look at the suction pipe. Oh boy, ain't that lovely. Well, right off the bat, let's see. Okay, that's lovely. We froze up all the way back to the compressor. So what's that telling me? Either we don't have an indoor fan motor running, or we got a stopped up indoor coil, or either it's low in refrigerant. Damn. Let's see what we got, guys. Okay, guys, this looks like this is where we got to go to get to the indoor air handler. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, this looks lovely. Just lovely, guys. Holy shit. Oh. That looks like that could be the problem right there. Looks like the panel laying over there on the ground. 26-year-old air handler. Didn't I say something about that before I even come over here? I bet you the screws done rusted out and the door done fell off. Alright. Let's see what's up with it. Crawl through this hole in the wall. And it's wanting to be aggravating. I took the orange reversing valve wire off, and all it did was short cycle because the low pressure switch is wanting to. Sometimes they do that, sometimes they don't. So even if I would have went to the thermostat and put it in heat, it would have did the same thing. So what I'm gonna have to do is get this coil de-iced and get it to run and force it to run in heat, even when it don't want to run, as I got to bypass the low pressure switch. So it's coming out of the board on our 24 volts. It's coming out and it's going into the condenser, and then it's going through the high and low pressure switch, and then it's coming back through this wire on one side of the coil. So what I'm going to do is to constantly feed it power and bypass the pressure switches. I'm going to pull this off. Alright, I'm going to take a little jumper that I made, and I'm going to plug it on here. Alright, and that's 24 volts. And that way I go straight to one side of the coil, and then that way we'll be able to bypass the low and high pressure switch, so it won't short cycle. Okay, so let's plug it back on and see if it short cycles. Nope. I got her back running, forcing it to run in heat, even though the low pressure switch keeps wanting to trip out. I just bypassed low and high pressure switches, so that won't be an issue in trying to interfere with what I'm trying to do, which is get this ice off this indoor coil. Alright guys. Okay guys, come under here. The indoor blower motor door, panel door is laying down here, rusted up. That's the problem. There's where I come through the hole in the wall to get over here. And you can look and see we still got a good bit of ice on the coil. Working on getting that ice off now. So see about getting this door back on and mounted. And look guys, I don't have much to mount to. Not much to mount to at all. But we'll get it. We'll get it, you know what I mean? Uh-huh. Okay guys, we got this door back on. Put us a good screw in right here, and got us a screw down here. I did find some metal actually, but see, look at that, all the way through, just totally rotted out. But I did get the door back on, got those two screws in it, and now I had a problem solved with the door falling off, other than the unit needed to be replaced, but that's yet to be seen. So I'll go out and see what the refrigerant pressures are after I get finished defrosting this indoor coil, so I can get a proper pressure read. Alright guys. Okay guys, I got the indoor coil defrosted by running the heat pump in heat to get the ice off the coil, and we got really good pressures now. We're looking at about 70 over about 200. So it's R22, and that would be the actual reason why they probably didn't change out that 26-year-old air handler in the house. That 12 years ago, that was about the time that people could have that option of getting an R22 dry condenser. So that's why they did that, because it is R22 system, 7 pounds, 0.65. So that's why they did that. You know, they was one of them people that jumped on that train. Instead of changing the entire both pieces out and going with 410A with Puron, they decided to go with the cheaper Oh, it had cheapo way out and just getting a condenser, 22 dry condenser. That's what it was. But anyway, I got it back up and going, guys. R22 back up where it needs to be. All the ice off the coil, and it's cooling. So got it in the bag, guys.